What's going on?
Hey.
What's
The
good?
dog is in a cage. I have a small
Okay.
one, but she'll be running from y'all.
All right. What's going on with the unit?
Do you think you need to go in the
Yeah, we might need to. It's a filter. Yeah, filter gonna need to be changed.
We've been telling them we can't get up there.
Yeah, you gotta get something to get up there, cause a unit ain't gonna breathe like that.
We've been changed since we moved in. We've been telling her that. Thank you guys.
What size it is? All right, so we're gonna start by turning it on. At least they got it off. Some people leave it on. So turn it on. See if we got blower motor. See if it click on. Down 62. Okay, that's good. All right, now let's take a peek up here. All right, let's set your bag down. Because usually when you got blower motor, you might
You don't need to test.
yeah. We may need to test, but at least I just like to peek up here, come take a picture. Come all the way up, and then once you verify you got blower motor, still come and take a picture up here. But then I want you to fill your line. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Be careful, you alright?
Yeah, I'm good.
Okay, you alright?
Okay.
Yeah, no, you good. Yeah, do watch your head and watch your feet when you need addicts.
It ain't on.
Yeah, so it's not on? Okay. So we know our problem might be outside, so watch the step back there. Yeah. You alright. I'll tell her. We get a broom. Hey, so when you feel this line right here, two things I want you to kind of be thinking about.
Okay.
Either unit not turning on, or it could be low on refrigerant though.
Yeah.
And the reason I say it could be low on refrigerant, go ahead and take a picture of your evaporator coil. Okay. Just in case it is a leak in the evaporator coil, we'll know we got that modern serial number. Okay. All right. So we're gonna need. Huh?
They did a pretty good installation.
Yeah.
So
Yeah, it's insulated well.
I'm gonna go get a broom.
Okay. And I'm gonna grab that piece of glass right there. On the way down. Yeah, you good. Then none of them come down here. Just stop right there. Yeah, ain't none down here. All right. All right. So I got a little magnet umbrella. Let's run around here to take a look real quick. Since it ain't pouring down. See what's going on over here. All right, there you go. Top. What you got? Okay. So we got fan. What was wrong? Oh, okay. All right. So go ahead. So what I like to do, as soon as I see this right here, I know I got fan. Man, we felt our line. The compressor it was rotating the refrigerant. We didn't feel any refrigerant. So we know if we don't hear that good compressor sound that you're looking for. So when you do that, just go ahead and kill the power. I'm gonna go run to get an umbrella. Just pull it out. Whoa, see that? See, that's why you gotta be careful, because that's bypass right there. Ain't nobody exit out. You know, get shot. So unfortunately, yeah, we gotta go to the breaker and kill the power. All right, so if anybody watching this, always exit box out. Let somebody know you bypass that disconnect. I think I just had a video where I had to do the same thing, but I exited out. take a look. Whoa. Yeah, man. Ain't nothing labeled. So usually it's either gonna be this 35.
35.
Try the 35 first. Yeah. Okay. Huh? That was an ugly noise, man. All right. So what we're gonna do? I'm gonna get the umbrella,
Okay.
and we're gonna check voltage. We're gonna check our capacitor, but we're gonna make sure that's the right. Check your voltage because you got the drill and stuff.
Yeah, I got my drill right here.
Because you could have turned the furnace off, and the furnace is what bring that 24 volts out here, and you would think the unit off. So let me get the magnet. You can open it up. Take your pictures. What I did with my magnet umbrella. You go ahead. I was looking for my magnet umbrella on. You already checked the cap?
Yeah.
Is it good or bad?
So capacitor, I haven't checked it out. I was about to
Okay.
check it.
Huh?
I was about to check it.
You check your voltage? Make sure you
Yes,
have no
I
voltage?
already checked it.
Okay.
I have to run it.
Only when you got no light, then we good. We got working all elements.
What do we got?
What you got? Hold it for a minute. That's your fan, right? 5.9?
Yeah.
Or what was that?
See, that's the chain.
Huh?
That's
Yeah.
the
that-
connector right
okay.
here.
So what you had, like 5.9?
5.9, yeah.
So that's bad then, right? So what is rated for?
45.5.
Okay. So you was only getting 5.9?
Yeah.
Okay. So we need to get another one.
Okay.
All right. So that might be the only thing wrong with a bad capacitor. And it need a disconnect. So take a picture of that disconnect.
Okay.
Take a picture of your capacitor. And might have to run to the parts store, man, because I think I'm out of capacitor.
We're out of capacitor?
Yeah. So put that cabinet back on there. We're gonna run to the parts store. We gotta get some duct work.
Yeah, let me take a picture of the capacitor as well.
Okay.
Okay.
All right.
And all that back to our product can be shipped. So they're not even expecting them tonight.
Hey, so those capacitors look a little big, so come here for a minute. So get you a little plumber strap right here. And get that cutter and just cut it maybe about right here.
Right there.
Yeah. There you go. That might be big enough. And you might be able to use the existing screws. I might say put some self-tappers in your bag.
I got some over here.
You got some? Yeah, get your hand full of. All right, got 6 cents. We gotta go run one duck.
Thank you, Walter. How can I assist you with the claim?
Yeah, so
Okay. And is this an EPUB or straight cool system?
straight cool split system.
Yeah,
Oh.
I'll take a picture of it.
Okay, man, you fast. So
Yeah,
take
are they Herm?
Mhm.
Herm and yellow Herm,
Mhm.
red common,
Okay.
and purple fan.
Okay. And take a picture side by side. There you go. All right. I'm gonna fire it up at the breaker, see what happens. Okay, you was able to use the same bracket.
Yeah.
All right, man. What was you asking?
What part of the equipment failed?
So we add a refrigerant and leak sealant.
Okay. And how much is your leak bill?
150. All right, I'm gonna hit it.
And what
you-
type of refrigerant did you?
You hear that good compressor sound? Excuse me.
What type of refrigerant did you use?
410A.
And how many pounds?
Yeah, go ahead.
Nah, you can feel it now.
Yeah, feel warm. All right, let's see if we can get a filter. It was 7 pounds.
7 pounds?
Yeah, you can go ahead and button it up. Yeah.
$25. Service fee from the homeowner?
Yes, I did.
Go over the phone, or are you going to get that off of your portal?
I can get out the portal, and I have one more. Can you do?
Yeah, let me go ahead and delete this one. And what's that work order number?
Let's see if we got a 20 by 25 by 1 filter. If
Yeah.
we don't, she's gonna have to change it out herself.
25.
And how much is your I got you authorized at $90 after the $100 service fee.
No,
That's all we have.
no, ma'am. Thank you.
All right. Well, thank you so much for being a
Hello. Hey, excuse me. Hello. Hey, so all you gotta do is change the filter.
Filters? It's just the filters?
Huh?
It was just the filters?
No.
Oh, just change the filters, that's it?
Yeah.
And it should be working.
Well, yeah, it's working now. Yeah, I can't hear you.
Sorry.
Yeah. All right.
Okay.
All right. So we put a new capacitor on there. So
Okay.
so it's running now. It's cooling.
Okay.
But I just recommend change the filter.
I'm gonna get it changed.
Yeah, I usually have some, but I don't have any.
It's
I
okay.
ran out. So you just need a 20 by 25 by 1.
20, 25.
If they sell some at Walmart, they green
Uh-huh.
and they're a 4-pack for $7. You change them out like every 2 months.
All right, what was that, 20?
20 by 25 by 1. I'm gonna show you how it look. I'll be right back. Yes.
Okay.
So they look like this. Yeah, they look like this, but this
That's
not.
a smaller one.
Yeah, this is a smaller one, and it's a 4-pack for $7.
Okay.
Okay.
All right, and it's just that one in the hallway we changing?
That's the only one.
Okay.
Unless you
Thank
see more in there.
We have a big one in our room, so we probably have
So
to
change that one too. Then.
Okay,
All right.
thank you.
All right. Oh, catfish table right there. What you got?
136, 224.
Okay.
Subcooling is for 3.2. Oh, that went down.
Got 410A. Yes, look, they gotta run for a minute. We good. So just take a picture of that. Let's get out of here. All right. Good job. Yeah.